Mihango ya kuihuria ithenya ria giturwa kia muikari gitu wa kamiti ya kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu KNCHR ninyitithirio thinga umuthi thutha wa kamiti ya bunge igie watho na kihoto njeira gutabania uthurimi wa CLARIS ONGANGA uria wamuritwo kuiyukia giturwa giki thutha wa kio gutigwo theri kurumirira gikuo kia uria wari muikariri giti Roslyn Odedem. Ni hindi ya uthurimi uyu AWOUR okiriire ruhonge rwa borithi AKIUGA rukoretwo rukihuthira hinya mukiruku hari kung'ethanira na AKENYA hindi ya mirurungano iria iriga kugumira bururi ya mbeu njithi AKIUGA kihoto gia gutabania mirurungano nikigitiritwo ni gatiba.
Demonstrations, assemblies, this is a human right and it should not be limited. It can only be limited in very specific circumstances. I think the challenge comes in when a demonstration becomes violent, when a demonstration, is infiltrated or becomes, unmanageable. That is where there's a big challenge. But international law requires that, allow demonstrations to take place.
Security agencies have frequently been accused of unlawful killings, torture, and other abuses. Often, of course, with limited accountability. Okay, if you are approved, what proactive steps would you take to investigate and address cases of police brutality and other violations by state security organs?
Violence must be minimized, whether it's the use of, live bullets, use of, arms, use of tear gas, use of all those things must be minimized.
AWOUR neranire kugitira wira uria kamiti ino ethukiirwo ni gatiba ya bururi kumana na kuingirirwo makiria kurumirira kumbwo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya kuhotithia kurihwo kwa aria maguraririo uru kana makiuragwo hindi ya mirurungano ya muingi.
You must be fiercely independent and be prepared to speak truth to power. How prepared are you to confront the powers that be in this country to be effective?
I'm hoping that when I get to be the chair of the commission, I will ensure that I stamp my foot so that no one encroaches on the mandate of the commission. For this particular one, it has come when I'm not the chair. But I'm hoping that once I go in, I will be in a position to ensure that whatever touches on the mandate of the commission will be protected jealously.
Agimathurimirwo ni kamiti ino ni uria wamuritwo gutuika mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti bururi-ini John Cox Rorionoku uria utanyitwo kuihuria ithenya ria Nderitu uria wamurirwo gutuika kamishna wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC igukweteteire ta gukorwo ari mwagiriru muno kuiyukia giturwa giki.
If it is a proposal that is seen fit to operate and strengthen the office of the Registrar of Political Parties at that level of a commission, I cannot have an objection. But mine is a suggestion that if what we have is working, I do not know why we need to fix it, Honorable General.
Uria wamuritwo gutuika munini wake Agatha Wanjiku ahomio nake ni athurimirwo ni kamiti ino. Riu othe magitanya kuhitukio ni bunge ya bururi mbere ya mehitithitio kuiyukia iturwa icio. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.